Guess why I'm this happy today? Food. You see my life, eh? If you like, offend me. If you like, shout at me. It doesn't bother me a bit. The only thing that bothers me is good food because I love food. Foodie ni mi láti ilẹ̀. That is why in today's video, I want to teach you how I made this healthy banana pizza. First, you need to gather all your veggies and wash them. Here, I use bell pepper, tomato, cabbage, and onion. You can also be creative with yours. So, dice or slice your veggies depending on your preference. Then, slice your banana. Okay, part 1 has ended. Let's now break our egg. Oh. Shebi you see me using my head to break this egg. I was really glad I did. Oh yeah, now, madam, break the second one. My head started headaching me. It nearly broke, and I gave up. Omo, this thing hard. Okay, back to our banana pizza. Now pour your veggies into the egg and season it. Mix it together and let's create a beauty. But before that, a quick story about my gas. See this gas, eh? I bought it when I was in my year 3 in school. And when NYSC came in 2019, this beautiful gas followed me all the way to Zamfara State. Yes. And when I came back to Lagos in 2020, this my gas followed me back. And ever since then, I've been using it steady. Oh, me gas. Me gas, me gas. Till death do us part. Okay, where are we? Oh, look at this beauty we've made. Oh my gosh, look at this. Is this not perfect? Very colorful. I had mine with brown rice and mashed avocado. Try this, guys, please.